All right, it was a pain to get here, but I'm hiking. I'm hiking today. I'm at Keys Gap. That's Route 9 out in West Virginia, Virginia border. And I'm gonna hike to the David Lesser shelter today. And man, yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Gonna be a good day. You know, this trail here, it's not too bad. It should be a fairly decent 3 miles in, 3 miles out to the David Lesser shelter. It's only one gradual climb, so hiking in the snow, baby. Oh yeah. Well, so far so good. It's rocky, I can't see the rocks, but I'm surviving, and it's pretty damn awesome being out here in this weather. I'm not gonna lie. I'm loving life, man. I'm loving it. All right, well, I gotta keep moving or else I'm gonna start getting cold. Oh yeah, shelter. I need you, baby. There's a Boy Scout troop down there, so I didn't want to film while I was at the shelter. Nice shelter. I'll throw a picture or two in here. And my battery's about dead because it doesn't want to go in the snow. But I'm doing okay. Other than my feet are cold. Otherwise, it's a beautiful day out here in the snow. Oh yeah. It's a little slower on the way back here, but so far so good. Still a good day, man. Still a great day. Man, it's a great day to be alive. Woo! Fantastic. Loving life here, baby. Loving life. Oh man. I am having a ball out here. This is fantastic. This is awesome as hell. This is living, man. This is living. There's just a little section of trail through the snow-covered bush here. Pretty sweet, man. Pretty sweet. Alrighty, the wind's blowing, man. Woo! Let's get in behind here. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Fantastic day, man. Fantastic day. Oh, good 6 miler, baby. 6 miles in this. Yeah. Feel good though. I definitely feel good. I hope you guys get out and have a fantastic day. All right, we will catch you.